Good morning, first PC students. Today, let us go to the next topic graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables x, y or any. For example, this is the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. This is line ax plus by, any line, inequality line. This is the inequality line, two variable inequality, ax plus by less than c, greater than c, this type. This time this is called left half. This is totally plane, off. This is left half plane. This is right half plane. Two parts. This is vertical line. For example, this is the vertical, the horizontal line. The x-axis parallel to x-axis. The line parallel to x-axis is called horizontal line. The line parallel to y-axis is called vertical line. The graph is, the line is, the inequality is, this is vertical type means. Vertical type means so this is the left plane, right plane. The vertical line means non-vertical line. Okay, the inequality line means non-vertical line. Non-vertical line means this is upper of plane and lower of plane. The line below plane is called lower of plane. Above is called upper of plane. So next here in the vertical inequality, the right plane is called right plane, left side is called left half plane. Okay, this is the graphical solution of the linear inequality to two planes. So let's go to the next exercise, some examples. Okay, left to right. This is our origin side. Left means what? Left half plane. Left side means this is origin side, opposite to the origin side. This is also upper means origin side, lower means opposite to the origin side. Both type. Okay, left to right to upper lower origin side, opposite the origin side, opposite the origin side, left side, right side, up, lower, origin side, this is also origin side, opposite to the origin side. So one or two problems, you will see one or two problems. If you see one or two problems, then you will clear. Next, first one, solve the exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. Graphically in two-dimensional plane. Solve the following inequalities by using the two-dimensional plane. For example, first problem is x plus y less than 5. Solve x plus y less than 5. This is the inequality. Which type of inequality? Different types of inequality. Slack inequality, double inequality, quadratic inequality, linear inequality, numerical inequality. This type. Which type of inequality? Is inequality in two variables. Two variables inequality. Inequality, solve the inequality by the graphically by using the two-dimensional plane. So first less than means first to put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Substitute 0 plus 0 less than 5. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5 is true or false? 0 less than 5 is true or false? 0. 5 is the bigger than the 0. Okay, is it correct? True or false? 0 less than 5. 0 kinda 5 వచ్చు. Okay, is true. Is true means it true means the plane is true means the plane is origin side. The plane is origin side. For example, first and for example take x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. First it will give the less than in inequality. First we have to take equality. Okay, first find out x value. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 means what? 0 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. The point is 0 comma 5. The point is 0 comma 5. Next again put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 means x plus 0 is equal to 5. Substitute in equation number 1. X is equal to 0 in equation number 1. 0 plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. So next first x is equal to 0, after that y is equal to 0. Or substitute y is equal to 0 means x plus 0 is equal to 5. That implies x is equal to 5. So that point is 5 comma 0. Same each and every problem procedure, same procedure. Okay. This is A point, this is B point. First draw the graph. This one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the A point is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 means 0 comma 5. This is 0 comma 5. Next 5 comma 0. This is the 5 comma 0. Draw the line by using the scale. This is the x plus y less than 5 equation. X plus y equal to 5 equation. This is x plus y equal to 5. This is the equation. So the plane is true or false? This is true or false? True. True means what? True means the graph is origin side. The graph is origin side. And the false means the condition is false. The condition is false means the graph draw to the opposite the origin side. Opposite the origin side. So this is true or false? True. So the graph is the plane of the graph is origin side. So what is the origin side? This is the origin side. Origin side or upper lower. You think any by using the graph before graphs. Left to right, up to down. Okay, this one. Up, down. Lower, upper plane, lower plane. So true means lower. False means upper. Simply origin side, opposite the origin side. This is the origin side. Opposite the origin side is this opposite origin side. Okay. Next another one. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Second problem. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Enough. Problem is enough because only graph. Solve the inequality by the graphically by using the two-dimensional plane, graphically solve the graphically. This is diagram. Okay, the diagrams are, we'll draw the graph paper on the graph paper. Must be in examination also, in your public examination, annual examination also. The every graph in this chapter, inequality chapter, every graph will be drawn on the graph paper. So once again listen. Like greater than or equal to, first to find out AB values. Step 1. What is the first step 1? Consider 2x plus y is equal to 6. The inequality is any type of inequality was given. So greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, less than, any type of inequality. First we have to consider this inequality instead of the inequality equal to. ನೀವು ಏ ಥರ ಇನ್ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬದಲು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ತಗೋ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಫಸ್ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಗ್ರಾಫು, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, put x is equal to 0, that implies this equation number 1. X is equal to 0 means 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6. What is the point? Point is nothing but x comma y. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Next, put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means 2x plus 0 equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. The point B, 3 comma 0. Okay, A point to B point. Next, is it true or false? Left plane or right plane? Upper plane or lower plane? How to decide? Is it true or false? The condition is true or false. So put 0 0. X is equal to 0 0 means what? 0 0 means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. In 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. So 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6. 0 greater than or equal to 6. 0 greater than or equal to 6 is true or false? Okay, 0 is the more than 6. Is it true? 0 is the less than 6. So is false. Is false means what? The plane, the graph is true means origin side. Origin side means left or up, down. Okay, the confusion, up or down, left or side, confusion. So it is only single, you remember, only simple. False means opposite the origin side. True means origin side. Okay, so the false means what? Opposite, the graph is opposite the origin side. Opposite the origin side. Okay, first, next we will draw the graph. X axis is y axis 0. First 2 points 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. First 0 comma 6, the point A is 0 comma 6. This is 6, this is A point. B is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means 3 comma 0 means on the x axis. This is B. Draw the line by using the scale. This is B point. So the inequality is true or false? Inequality false. False means what? Opposite the origin side, or lines or by use the pencil this one. Lines or by using any color pencil or this is the only two types. First type origin side. When did you use the origin side? The given condition, the given inequality is true means origin side. The given inequality is false means opposite the origin side. Only simple one. Okay, next. Y less than -2. Next problem is y less than -2. First, before going to the problem, before some explanation is there. What is the explanation? For example, this is x-axis, y-axis. First, x is equal to a. The equation of a line, the equation of x-axis. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. X-axis reverse, y is equal to 0. The equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means the x-axis and y-axis is passing through the origin. Okay. Next, the equation of a line parallel to x-axis. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to x-axis means y is equal to something, any value. Parallel to x-axis means this is the x-axis, parallel to x-axis. So this is 2 means y is equal to 2. 3 means y is equal to 3. Okay. Parallel to x-axis means x-axis parallel, y is equal to, y is equal to, that point is 2 means 2, this one. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x is equal to something, x is equal to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x is equal to value x1. Parallel to x-axis means y is equal to y1. What is x1 and y1? Point, passing through the point. For example, 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 means this is parallel to x-axis means y is equal to y1. Y is equal to y is equal to 0. The point is 0 comma 2, y is equal to. So for example, okay, x is equal to, for example, this normal geometry explanation. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So x is equal to 1. No. Line. This is also straight line. X is equal to 1 means parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 1 means parallel to y-axis. So this is called x. This is called x is equal to 1. This line passing through the 1, passing through 1. this is x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 means this is x is equal to minus 1. Left side, negative value, x is equal to negative value means negative side of the x-axis. This is x is equal to minus 1. This is x is equal to minus 2 passing through 2. This is x is equal to minus 3. This is x is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 3. This is x is equal to 4. X is equal to 5. So x is equal to something positive means positive x-axis, negative means negative x-axis. So y is equal to 1, for example. Y is equal to 1 means this is y is equal to 1 passing through 1. This is y is equal to 1. Next, y is equal to means this is y is equal to 2. The line, direct line, y is equal to 2. So this is y is equal to 3 and so on. Y is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, y is equal to up to 100 and so on. Y is equal to negative value means below the x-axis. Y is equal to minus 1 means passing through minus 1. That line below the y-axis. Y is equal to minus 2 means below the x-axis passing through minus 2 comma 0. Y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 4. So, okay, understand? X is equal to positive means x is equal to 2, 3 positive value. X is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. Because given the positive values, so right side of the y-axis, parallel to y-axis, right side. X is equal to negative values, left side of the y-axis. Y is equal to positive, up, x-axis up. So y is equal to negative values, downside. This is the lines. Okay. So here y less than minus 2. Y less than minus 2, first we have to take and consider what? Y is equal to minus 2. If y is equal to minus 2 graph, what is y is equal to minus 2 graph? So first this is true or false? Y is equal to minus 2. Substitute 0, 0 in y less than minus 2. Okay. So 0, 0 means x 0, y 0. 0 less than minus 2. This is true or false? This is 0. Minus 2 is the above, more than 0. Minus 2 is the more than 0. Is it true or false? False. Negative value is always below the 0. Negative value is always below the 0. So this is true or false? Is false condition. So graph. So this one, x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash, 0. So y is equal to minus 2. Where y is equal to minus 2? Y is equal to something means what? Y is equal to means parallel to x-axis. Parallel to y is equal to something is means parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to something is negative value. Y is equal to negative means parallel to x-axis, so below the x-axis, so this is minus 1, minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 means the line, the equation of the line passing through parallel to the x-axis means y is equal to y1. Here y1 is y is equal to positive means above the x-axis, y is equal to negative means below the x-axis. This is line y is equal to minus 2. So, if y is equal to minus 2 is the true condition or false in inequal condition? False. False means what? Opposite to the origin. True means origin side. True means the graph is origin side. False means opposite to the origin side. So this is the origin. This is origin side. Above is the origin side. Below is the opposite to the origin side. Below is the opposite to the origin side. Okay, clear? Here small problems. Okay. It's not come in your examination, only the explanation. The next exercise, the next 5 marks graphs. Okay, 5 marks graph, all graphs, all graphs will be drawn in the graph paper. Will be drawn in the graph paper. So this is simply, this is the concept. Today the concept is clear. If the concept is clear, then tomorrow the 5 marks questions maximum easy. So false means what? Opposite. True means origin side. Next one. Next, x greater than minus 3. X greater than minus 3. X greater than minus 3. First consider x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to something is parallel to y-axis. X is equal to means parallel to y-axis. X is equal to means parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to means parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to is something any value means parallel to y-axis. X is equal to negative means parallel to y-axis but negative side. Okay, this is x-axis. This x-axis, x dash, y dash, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So this condition is true or false? This condition is true or false? Substitute 0, 0 in x greater than minus 3. So x 0, y 0. 0 greater than minus 3. This is 0 is the more than minus 3. 0 is more than minus 3. Is true or false? True. 0 is always more than all any negative value. So is true. So first x is equal to minus 3. X means what? Parallel to y-axis. This is the parallel to y-axis. This is also parallel to y-axis. So x is equal to positive value means right side. X is equal to negative value means left side. So x is equal to minus 3 means this is minus 3. Parallel to y-axis. So this condition is true or false? True. True means what? Opposite now, origin side. The graph is origin side. Origin side is minus right side. Okay, this is simple graphs. Okay, this exercise is only single inequation, single inequation. So next exercise, 2 inequations, 3 inequations, the area of the 2 or 3 inequations combined the area of the 3 or more inequations. That is 5 marks question. Okay, tomorrow 5 marks question. So finally, last one. Minus 3x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Greater than or equal to minus 6 means so put x is equal to 0. First consider minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. So put x is equal to 0. So 0 plus 2y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 3. So point is 0 comma minus 3. So put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means minus 3x plus 0 is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to 2. The point A point, B point is 2 comma 0. So put 0 0, finally 0 0 in minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 3. Minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is greater than or equal to minus 6. 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. True or false? True. Negative value is always below the 0. Okay. So 0 is always below the above the 0. So true. True means what? First to graph 0 comma minus 3. The graph, what is the graph? This is x axis, y axis 0. So first to 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So first 0 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 3, this is 0 comma minus 3, point A. 2 comma 0, this is 2 comma 0, this is B. So this is true or false? True means what? Origin side. True means origin side. True. True means origin side. False means opposite the origin side. So tomorrow I will discuss the 5 marks graphs. Very important. Compulsory. One 5 marks question. Tomorrow I will discuss.